Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if your cat is stuck like underneath your floors or like in the roofs of your house. This is what you can do. It's actually super simple. You're just going to go to build mode. You do have to enter build mode first though. You cannot do reset character or restart character because that won't work. Just press complete and all of your pets I will be back here outside of the house. But that's the only way you can unfortunately get your cat or dog out of like whatever they're stuck in. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.